Grand i10 Neos, or 2026 Hyundai i10, reimagines the compact city car class by demonstrating that even a tiny vehicle can provide cutting-edge technology, stylish design, and an abundance of useful functions. The i10 continues to be a top pick for city dwellers who value unwavering design, practicality, and efficiency. Thanks to this major upgrade rather than a mere cosmetic one, a more youthful, athletic, and daring appearance is the result of the 2026 Hyundai i10's larger, all-new design. Although it has kept its small size, the outside has been given a facelift. Modernized LED daytime running lights, DRLs, blend in with a streamlined front bumper and a revamped grille with a honeycomb pattern. Adding to its sleek, contemporary profile, these DRLs are housed within the expansive front grille. The LED trademark lamps up front and back, as well as the multifaceted reflector headlights, have undergone makeover. As an eye-catching accent, the back LED combo lighting have a distinctive H design on the tailgate's horizontal line. The new, modern style is complemented by the restyled 16-inch alloy wheels. The i10's sporty design and commanding presence on the road are a result of its persistently low roofline and lengthy wheelbase. The 2026 i10 is set to be a fashionable and striking city car thanks to its extensive redesign. For those on a tighter budget, the 2026 Hyundai i10 is the ideal city car because to its lineup of fuel-efficient engines. The current 1.2-liter gasoline engine is still available. It produces around 82 horsepower and 113.8 newton-meters of torque, and it's well known for being quiet and having enough power for city commuting. Another option is a 1.0-liter, 3-cylinder gasoline engine that produces around 67 PS and 9.8 km of torque. One less expensive and less harmful solution will be available in some areas in the form of compressed natural gas, CNG. A new generation of hybrid systems, developed by Hyundai Motor Group, has a smaller vehicle-optimized 1.6-liter hybrid powertrain. As a result of its mild hybrid system and future-proof design, the 2026 i10 offers better fuel economy and a more refined ride. A 5-speed manual or automatic transmission is available for the i10, depending on the engine, giving drivers a variety of options to suit their preferences. Typical of vehicles in its price range, the 2026 Hyundai i10 boasts an elegantly appointed cabin that is both functional and technologically sophisticated. An important component is the infotainment system's 8-inch touchscreen, which incorporates wireless technologies like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and provides better graphics. A bigger touchscreen is standard on higher trim levels. The 4.2-inch full digital LCD cluster is both stylish and futuristic, and it gives the driver simple access to a wealth of information in a manner that suits their needs.